8 mobile homes that will blow your mind. In the world of mobile living, innovation meets luxury in ways that are truly astonishing. From spacious interiors to cutting-edge technology, these mobile homes redefine what it means to travel in style. Here's a look at some of the most impressive mobile homes that are sure to blow your mind. 1. CMC ATHENA. The CMC ATHENA is a stunning Italian motorhome that redefines luxury on wheels. Spanning an impressive 44 feet and nearly 20 feet wide, this mobile palace offers more floor space than many apartments. Inside, you'll find a lavish living area that can accommodate any occasion, whether it's sealing a business deal or hosting a family gathering. The spacious bathroom is designed to fit a crowd, making it perfect for sleepovers or family trips. Equipped with a terrace ideal for grill parties, the CMC ATHENA is not just about size, it's also about comfort and convenience. With a cozy atmosphere and a plethora of handy gadgets, this motorhome is designed for those who appreciate the finer things in life while on the road. It seems like you're referring to CMC ATHENA, but I need a bit more context to give you a detailed answer. There are a few possibilities for what this could refer to, such as 1. CMC ATHENA technology or software could refer to a specific software platform or project, particularly in areas like analytics, finance, or AI. 2. CMC ATHENA, organization or product. This might also refer to a company or a product line in sectors like cybersecurity, medical technology, or other specialized industries. 3. ATHENA from CMC. ATHENA is sometimes used in the names of various tools or projects, especially related to artificial intelligence or research. Can you clarify what you're referring to so I can provide a more accurate response? 2nd Starliner SL25. Imagine transforming an ordinary truck into a luxurious motorhome. That's exactly what the Starliner SL25 does. This Swiss innovation allows you to customize your dream home on wheels, whether you choose from existing designs or create your own. Measuring 30.2 feet and weighing 16,500 pounds, it's equipped with everything you need for a comfortable journey, including a spacious bedroom, a bathroom, and a kitchen. One of the standout features of the Starliner SL25 is its smart system, which allows you to control various aspects of the motorhome with just a touch of a button. From adjusting the bed to controlling the awning and lights, this motorhome combines luxury with modern technology, making it a top choice for travelers. The Starliner SL25 is likely referring to Boeing's CST-100 Starliner spacecraft, which is designed for crewed missions to low Earth orbit (LEO), specifically for NASA's Commercial Crew Program. However, the SL25 designation does not seem to correspond to a well-known variant or mission, so it's possible you might be referring to a specific mission or configuration number associated with the Starliner. The CST-100 Starliner spacecraft itself is built to transport astronauts to the International Space Station, ISS, and other LEO destinations. It is designed to be reusable, with the ability to carry up to 7 passengers or a combination of crew and cargo. Boeing has conducted several test flights, with Orbital Flight Test 1, OFT-1, and OFT-2 being some key milestones. If SL25 is associated with a specific mission or variant, could you provide more details or clarify further? 3rd, Laramie Stock Combo. For horse lovers who also enjoy traveling, the Laramie Stock Combo is a game changer. This isn't just a horse trailer, it's a fully equipped motorhome that can accommodate both your family and your horses. With dimensions of 8 feet wide and 7.8 feet high, it offers a spacious bedroom, a relaxing lounge, and a modern kitchen. The trailer features a 15-foot area for horses, complete with insulation, ensuring comfort for your equine companions. With all the necessary furniture and appliances included, the Laramie Stock Combo is designed for versatility and convenience, making it perfect for family adventures. The Laramie Stock Combo likely refers to a specific truck model or trim package offered by Ram trucks, specifically the Ram 1500 or Ram 2500 series. The term stock combo could indicate a combination of stock features, options, or packages available for these vehicles, tailored for durability and utility, often targeted at customers who need a reliable vehicle for towing, hauling, and off-road capabilities, common needs in agricultural, construction, and recreational sectors. The Laramie trim itself is one of the higher-end trims in the Ram lineup, known for its luxury features, premium materials, and advanced technology, while still maintaining excellent utility and performance for work-related tasks. If you're referring to something different, such as a specific product or item outside of the Ram truck's context, please provide more details, and I'd be happy to assist further. Four, Movable Roots Ward, Tiny Home. The Movable Roots Ward Tiny Home is a cozy Australian design that offers a unique living experience. At 28 feet long, it provides 300 square feet of comfort, featuring a cozy loft for sleeping, a spacious L-shaped kitchen, and a large tiled bathroom with a view. Clever storage solutions, such as understair compartments, maximize space and functionality. With a sleek and modern style, this tiny home incorporates LED lights and composite materials mixed with natural wood. Priced at $130,000, it's an affordable option for those looking to embrace a minimalist lifestyle without sacrificing comfort. Movable Roots Ward. Tiny home refers to a specific model from Movable Roots, a company that specializes in custom-designed tiny homes on wheels. The Ward Tiny Home is one of their offerings, designed to provide a compact, efficient, and stylish living space for those seeking a minimalist lifestyle or a mobile living solution. Key features of the Ward Tiny Home typically include 1. Size and layout. It is often designed to be under 400 square feet, with a spacious layout that maximizes the use of every inch of space. The design usually includes a loft for sleeping, a small living area, a functional kitchen, and a bathroom. 2. Quality construction. Movable Roots is known for building homes with high-quality materials and energy-efficient features, ensuring that the tiny home is durable and sustainable. 3. Customization. As with many tiny home builders, Movable Roots offers customization options, allowing buyers to personalize the Ward model with different finishes, fixtures, and configurations to suit their specific needs. 4. Mobility. Being a tiny home on wheels, the Ward model is designed for easy mobility, making it suitable for people who want to travel or live off-grid. The Ward Tiny Home emphasizes both functionality and aesthetics, offering a comfortable space for those who want to downsize without sacrificing quality or style. If you're interested in specific details about pricing, layout, or availability, I recommend visiting Movable Roots' website or contacting them directly. 5. SLRV Iveco Daily 4x4 3480A. For adventurers who love exploring rugged terrains, the SLRV Iveco Daily 4x4 3480A is the ultimate camper. Built on a powerful chassis, this vehicle is designed to handle any environment while providing a cozy living space. It features a kitchen, a sofa, a large screen, and a bathroom, ensuring you have all the comforts of home. With options for solar panels and special elements that generate up to 7 kilowatts of electricity, you won't have to worry about power or water. The camper can store up to 79 gallons of water, making it perfect for extended adventures in the wild. The SLRV Iveco Daily 4x4 3480A is a rugged all-terrain motorhome built by SLRV Specialist Leisure Vehicles, an Australian company known for creating high-quality, custom-built off-road motorhomes. The Iveco Daily 4x4 chassis is the base vehicle for this particular model, and it's known for its durability, strong off-road capabilities, and heavy-duty performance. Key features of the SLRV Iveco Daily 4x4 3480A include 1. Chassis and drivetrain. The Iveco Daily 4x4 is powered by a robust turbo diesel engine, designed to handle challenging off-road conditions. The 3480A designation typically refers to a specific model or weight rating, with the 3,480 kilogram gross vehicle weight being a key factor in its payload capacity and performance. The 4x4 drivetrain allows for superior off-road performance, making it suitable for adventurous, remote travels, such as overland expeditions or camping in harsh environments. 2. Design and build. The SLRV conversion includes a fully equipped, self-contained living space designed for extended off-grid stays. The vehicle typically features high-quality insulation, solar panels, water tanks, and an integrated power system, making it ideal for long trips without reliance on external services. The interior layout usually includes a full kitchen, bathroom facilities, often with a shower and toilet, sleeping areas, and ample storage. 3. Off-road capabilities. The Iveco Daily 4x4 chassis is specifically chosen for its ability to handle rough, uneven terrain, making it ideal for overlanding and off-road travel. It comes equipped with heavy-duty suspension, all-terrain tires, and high ground clearance, ensuring it can traverse even the toughest landscapes. 4. Interior features. Inside, the SLRV Iveco Daily 4x4 3480A features a functional, modern design with practical amenities for long-term travel. This can include a kitchen with a stove, fridge, and sink, a cozy sleeping area, and often a multi-purpose living space with flexible seating and storage options. The design prioritizes comfort and convenience, with the ability to live off-grid for extended periods. 5. Customization. SLRV offers a range of customizations, allowing customers to tailor the vehicle's interior and features based on their specific needs and preferences, such as additional sleeping spaces, off-grid power solutions, or enhanced storage. This vehicle is typically aimed at people who want the freedom to explore remote areas and travel independently, providing a high degree of comfort and self-sufficiency while being capable of tackling rugged landscapes. If you're looking for more detailed specifications, pricing, or examples of how the vehicle has been customized, visiting SLRV's website or contacting them directly would be the best way to get the most current information. 6th, Golden Sky 57 square meters JB Homes. The Golden Sky 57 square meters is a charming mobile home that allows you to embrace nature while enjoying modern comforts. This quaint cottage features 2 bedrooms, a living room with a kitchenette, and a terrace, all designed to keep you warm and cozy with polyurethane insulation and underfloor heating. Standing at 8.2 feet tall and weighing around 35,200 pounds, this mobile home boasts large windows that offer stunning views of the outdoors. With over 2,000 units sold across 16 countries, it's clear that this model has captured the hearts of many. It looks like you're referring to a Golden Sky 57 square meters model by JB Homes, which appears to be a type of prefab or modular home. JB Homes is known for offering various types of home designs, and a 57 square meter model would be relatively compact, designed for efficient living in smaller spaces. Would you like more specific details about this model, such as its layout, features, or customization options? 7th, Skydancer Cabrio. The Skydancer Cabrio is a unique motorhome that stands out in the crowded market. This German innovation features a roof that can slide open, allowing you to enjoy the outdoors while traveling. Designed for 4 people, it encourages togetherness, making it perfect for family trips. Built on the chassis of popular vehicles like the Mercedes Atego and Fiat Ducato, the Skydancer Cabrio combines practicality with a fun design. With a focus on creating a shared experience, this motorhome is a testament to the evolving landscape of mobile living. The Skydancer Cabrio is a model by JB Homes, or a similar manufacturer depending on region, typically associated with modular or prefab homes. From the name, it suggests a design that's possibly more contemporary or open, with elements like a convertible or retractable roof, hence the term cabrio, from cabriolet used in car design for open roofs. However, information about this specific model can vary, so could you clarify if you're referring to a specific type of modular home, a design feature, or a particular version of the home? If you're interested in features like space, layout, or customization options, I can assist further with what's typically available in such designs. 8. Coachmen Sportscoach RD 402 TS. Last but not least, the Coachmen Sportscoach RD 402TS is a majestic motorhome that offers the ultimate in comfort and luxury. Stretching over 41 feet, it features 2 bathrooms, a walk-in closet, and a king-sized bed, making it feel like a 5-star hotel on wheels. Equipped with a 50-inch LCD screen, a washer and dryer, and heated seats, this motorhome is designed for those who want to travel without sacrificing comfort. With a powerful Cummins diesel engine and ample storage for fuel and water, the Coachmen Sportscoach is perfect for both remote work and family adventures. The Coachmen Sportscoach RD 402TS is a luxury Class A motorhome from Coachmen RV, known for its high-end features and spacious design. The 402TS indicates the model's length, around 40 feet, and layout, with TS typically referring to the triple slide configuration, meaning this model has 3 large slide-outs to expand the living area when parked. Key features of the Coachmen Sportscoach. RD 402TS. Engine and chassis. It's built on a heavy-duty chassis, often powered by a Cummins diesel engine, providing both power and towing capacity. Interior layout. As a triple-slide motorhome, the 402TS offers a spacious interior with a living area that opens up considerably when the slides are extended. It usually includes a king-sized bed, comfortable seating, multiple TVs, and a full kitchen with modern appliances. Bathroom and sleeping areas. The model typically features a split bathroom with a shower and a separate toilet area, and a bedroom that offers a large bed, ample closet space, and sometimes a washer-dryer combo. Exterior features. It's equipped with large pass-through storage compartments, a patio awning, and often has high-end finishes like full-body paint for an elegant appearance. Additional features: AC and heating. Multiple air conditioning units and an efficient heating system ensure comfort in all climates. Technology. Includes advanced navigation, surround sound systems, solar panel options, and state-of-the-art lighting. Driving and safety features. Designed with ease of driving in mind, the 402TS typically includes advanced safety systems, a rear-view camera, and adaptive cruise control. Would you like to know more specific details, such as floor plans or towing capacities?